Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Forte headlight. First, gather your tools, like a Phillips head screwdriver and your replacement bulb. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. It's also a good idea to wear gloves. This protects your hands and prevents oils from your skin from getting on the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. We'll walk through each step clearly. Now, let's get to the bulb. Pop open your Kia Forte's hood and look behind the headlight unit. You might see some plastic covers or a few screws holding things in place. Gently remove these to gain better access. Once you have a clear view, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Pinch or press the tab and pull it straight off to disconnect it, being careful not to damage the wires. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your Forte model, you might need to twist the bulb counterclockwise or unclip a retaining spring. Once it's loose, pull the old bulb straight out. Now, take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and carefully insert it into the housing. Make sure it's seated correctly, then twist or clip it into place. Finally, push the electrical connector back onto the new bulb until it clicks. Almost done. Now, reassemble everything in reverse order. If you removed any screws or plastic covers, put them back securely. Double-check that the headlight assembly itself is firmly in place. Once everything is buttoned up, hop into your Kia Forte and turn on your headlights. Verify that the new bulb is working properly, both on low and high beams. This ensures your visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.